Hello everyone, welcome to Golden Box. This is a short story explaining the power of concentration. Let's begin into the story. One day, Buddha's disciples asked him, "How can we attain enlightenment?" Buddha replied, "Concentration is the key to attain enlightenment." The disciples were puzzled and asked, "But how do we concentrate?" Buddha explained, "Concentration is the act of focusing your mind on one thing. We can eliminate distractions and negative thoughts that slow your progress by concentrating. We can focus on anything that helps you achieve calmness. It can be your breath, a mantra, a candle flame, or any other object." The disciples were eager to try and asked, "How long should we concentrate?" Buddha explained, "You can start with a few minutes each day and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable. You can make it as your daily routine." The disciples followed Buddha's advice and practiced concentration every day. They were able to achieve a sense of peace and clarity of mind and felt more present and were able to let go of negative thoughts and emotions. So friends, concentration is not only a tool for attaining enlightenment, but also a way of living. Buddha's teachings on concentration continue to inspire and guide people around the world. The practice of concentration is a powerful tool that can help us cultivate a deeper sense of connection to ourselves and others. Wish you all the best for success in your life. Until next time, it's me, Golden Box.